I woke up this morning and I was kind of expecting something when I woke up. And as soon as I opened my messages and that was not there, I was faced with a bit of disappointment. But then God quickly reeled me back in and just reminded me that He's working everything out for my good. I remember reading this in Habits of a Godly Woman, and Joyce basically said that when she decided to stop giving so much energy to her negative thoughts and situations, and every time she'd be faced with a problem, with a negative thought, she would just tell herself that everything, God is working everything out for my good. And in that moment, I told myself that God is working everything out for my good. God will never take away something that's meant for me. If something is meant for me, God will not take it away. So I just told myself that I'm going to rest in the power of knowing that God is working everything out for my good. Whatever happens, happens because it's meant to happen that way. I should not, it's okay to be sad. It's okay to be sad about it sometimes, but don't live and dwell in that sadness. I mean, we are human beings. We have feelings. We will feel disappointment and a bit of sadness. But I was like, I'm not going to sit in that disappointment and make a home in it. I will feel it. I will let God know that, you know what, I feel sad about this. I had different expectations about it. But you know what? If it's not your will for my life, if you see the future, you know what's going to happen. And if you're saying this is not for me, then it's fine. Place it in my heart to set it free and find peace in it and let go and just move forward because you are working everything out for my good. When this week began, I read John 10, verse 10, where it says, the enemy comes to kill, steal, and destroy, but He came that we may have life and have life abundantly. And I've been letting that verse marinate, especially that part where he says he came so that I may have life abundantly. Like, God wants me to live an abundant life. God wants me to live a beautiful life. So I'm not going to sit in those thoughts that are planted in my head by the enemy, thoughts of fear, thoughts of anxiety, thoughts of worry, thoughts of self-doubt, self-lack, and just pittiness and victim mentality. I'm like, I'm not gonna make a home there. That is not where I belong. I belong where there's abundance, where there's beauty, where there's goodness, and that's what I'm gonna keep leaning into because that's God's promise to me. So every day I'm gonna remind myself, even if right now the situation doesn't look like it, even though right now I'm faced with difficulties, I'm going to keep reminding myself that God wants me to live a beautiful and abundant life, and He's working everything out for my good. And I just thought, yeah, wow, man, that just changed my mental state instantly this morning and just made me look forward to my day and made me look forward to the rest of my week, to the rest of the month, to the rest of the year, because I'm resting in knowing that everything is working out for my good. Good morning. It's Monday today. What's the date? But yeah, I have a shoot today. I just finished packing my clothes. Let me show you. So I packed all my shoes here and I packed clothes here. So I just packed as much as I can because I don't know what we're gonna need. Yeah. I am already running late. What time is it? Oh Lord. I'm already running late. Yo. We're running late. I still need to install my wig. I'll do my makeup there because I have a makeup artist, but I'm gonna pack my own makeup because I don't trust white makeup artists. So I'm all done. I just requested. My bags are packed. I also packed all my makeup supplies and hair supplies because I have learned the hard way. I've learned the hard way of trusting makeup artists and stylists on set. So I'm prepared. Literally, I'm prepared. I have my hot comb for my hair. Wait. Guys, my Uber's outside and I'm busy.
Lady renting the Airbnb, and I told her, she was like, what are you doing here? He was like, yeah, on Monday we do a barbie shoot, and then she was like, have to look at my flat. I got a pink kitchen, and then she just offered us to like shoot them.
That's so nice. That's actually so nice. That's what I love about Cape Town. I feel like when it comes to location, like you're never gonna struggle.
Yeah.
I love it so much.
Yeah, that's true. Like sometimes, like in Berlin, like it's always people like, I don't know, like if they think they really want to make money out of everything.
Yeah.
And she was just amazing. I'm just gonna get your shoes out so that I don't feel like intimidating your suitcase. If I do this part.
Career life party.
Yeah.
I love that.
I bought these two. I don't know.
Oh, they're amazing. Wow. On your breast and bikini even, it's cool too. Because there's the bathtub. We could also see if we do like a... Yeah, that one's
the one
so
that you
lovely
added.
too.
And I put another one.
So then we can do a little bit more.
Yes, setting it all up. Okay, that set is really cute. The one that you came with. That's so cute. So pretty.
Yeah, maybe you can try it on one so we see if it actually fits you.
Okay.
Because I mean, for your clothes, we know that they fit you.
Yeah. What size is it?
I don't know. I just got it from she's like a newcomer designer from Berlin, and she just gave me this one sample.
To try.
So,
This is very cute.
so I don't know what size it is. Yeah, I really like the kind of thong on the back.
Yeah.
And then
the
it's
detailing on the side.
Yeah.
It's really cute.
yeah, it's nice and playful, right?
Okay. And then, okay, in terms of makeup, so what are we thinking?
We're gonna start super like just not natural, but like you know, it's not
Nothing hectic.
nothing hectic, and then later we
Okay.
can like add more
Okay.
with the look and everything.
Yeah, like I kind of, or like maybe it's even on this one, but I mean this one was for the hair. But I mean, if you see like if like your face also kind of shines, so
Yeah.
we'll use like a reflector,
I think it will
the
Yeah.
silver one, so we can like bounce
Yeah.
out like certain parts of.
Because I also like, I do my own makeup, so I just always like, I try to like, okay, so I always give myself just like a little bit of like a bright under eye, and then I put like blush. I don't know, it just does give that like very dull, like.
Got it.
Almost made you love me, almost made you cry, almost made you happy, babe. Didn't I, didn't I? You almost had me thinking you were turned around, but everybody knows, almost to the ground. Almost heard her saying you were finally free. What was always missing for you, babe? You found it in me, but you can't get to heaven. Head over the ground, everybody knows. Almost again. I can't keep on loving you. One foot outside the door. I hear a funny hesitation. My touch never really sure. Can't keep on trying if you're looking for more than all that I could give you. And what you came here for. I'm gonna find me some honest, not afraid to let go.
Sometimes it takes that long that way. I always ask in the beginning because sometimes
I think that's a bit expensive. Because I also spend like nothing more than 30 minutes doing my face.
Yeah. It's like the only reason I'm saying my favorite was like give some like time to play with, you know, because like I never. I can see like it from there. But like in that, like it's a lot more like high fashion here and there's like stress. Yeah, and just to like give a nice glow under your foundation. I mean, like it is different if you are like.
So we have done 3 looks already. Yeah, we've done 3 looks. We went to rush, so I didn't really get much footage of that. And then now we're gonna head to bulk up, and I think that's it for the day. And then I'm gonna go to the gym because I need to get in my fitness bag because I'm trying to be an international supermodel. So the body got a bang, of course. Yeah, actually, ecobed schön cute. Benutzt so
Almost made you love me, almost made you cry, almost made you happy, babe. Didn't I? You almost had me thinking you were turned around, but everybody knows, almost to the ground. Almost heard her saying you were finally free. What was always missing for you, babe? You found it in me, but you can't get to heaven. Hand off the ground, everybody knows, almost to the ground. I can't keep on loving you, one foot outside the door. I hear a funny hesitation, but that's never really sure. Can't keep on trying if you're looking for more than all that I could give you. And what you came here for, I'm gonna find me somebody, not afraid to let go. Wanna know I'll be there, kind of man. You came real close, but every time you pick me up, you won't be let me down. Everybody knows, almost to the ground, almost to the ground. Can't keep on, baby. Can't keep on trying. Everybody knows, almost to the ground. I can't keep on, can't keep on. I hear a resolution, but that's never.
Good morning. Today is content day. So we shooting content with my friends. Right now, I'm just gonna get ready to go to the gym. And then, after that, I'm gonna come back home and get ready because we're starting at 12. So I hope we're all gonna make it and be on time, you know? Yeah. just finished working out. They don't have cappuccinos here? Oh, you just like it.
Too milky.
It's what? It's too milky.
I like coffee like this. I don't put sugar in coffee, nothing. I like the taste of coffee.
I only put one sugar. I also don't like it too sweet. I don't like it too sweet.
You don't like coffee?
No.
Why?
I hate how it smells. I hate how it tastes. Like, it makes me want to...
It's so good, and it's just that like...
Yeah. But also, I'm just not a caffeine person. Like, I don't like Red Bull. Like,
Well,
just drink decaf coffee. I just also don't like how it smells. That's another thing. So I drink like a chai latte. Oh, now I'm like a matcha baby. Matcha is so nice. It actually tastes so good. It has like a very tea-like taste, and I like tea. Literally, but yo, it is so hot. Okay, we are done with the first look. I mean, it's just worth trying and checking. Okay, focus. Okay. Yeah, they do. Yay, they do.
won't you look at that?
Would you look at that for real?
Period. And they even have variety.
Black small, yeah.
So basically.
The woman behind. No. Woman in skin. Okay. Woman in skin. I'm just content creator. So no. Thank you. Yes, it looked clear today. But it was nice.
We're done with the first look. Now we're gonna go change and shoot our second look. We have two options as locations. Yeah. Let me show you your guys' fence. I mean, no. But like, okay, they'll see it. It's like basically like a teaser. They'll see it properly on Instagram. So, this is Fifi's look. We're looking like such girls. Very cute. She had different shoes on, but like, yeah. You'll see them on Instagram. Now you have to go check out Fifi's IG. Oh guys, we're looking so cute and curly. I love it. It's little strips giving little Italia. Ne? Looks like they'd have like banging pasta.
Banging like
Like Italian food. Should just try it. Okay, so we are at the no, actually I don't want to tell you guys. I'm not gonna tell you where I'm gatekeeping this location. We're somewhere. We're our second location. I'm gatekeeping it here. I'm gatekeeping this one. Nifuna ama locations are exclusive to us. I'm sorry y'all, but I'm gatekeeping this year. I'm gatekeeping my locations because I work hard to find we were walking literally by the park and I saw it and I said I got a vision for this. Also because when I was looking for photos for inspiration, the building where she shot the build that shot her part, it looked like this. So already I kind of had an idea in my head, and then when I saw this I was like, oh, perfect. Let me show you guys. If you figure it out, it's fine, but I'm not gonna tell you. But it's actually so cute. This is so cute. Wow, I love it. OMG, I feel like I look so crusty. But I'm at the nail studio. I just finished doing a client's nails and then I'm gonna go home. I'm going to the beach because what is this weather in Cape Town? It is so hot, guys. It is so hot. Like, I'm melting. Like, Yashiselwa. Let me show you the space. Okay, so, okay. Why is it not like coming down? Oh yeah. So that's like basically it. Renting a table at Rose Nail House. Yeah, that's basically it. Give me your love and tonight. Oh, 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 oh. You think you're the shoot? You're not even the thought. Yeah, like it's just so fast, like on to the next type of like energy. Yeah. No, it literally is. Everyone is doing drugs there. Apparently. It's this one and another one. Two of them. They just go touch them. They love it. They love it. Hey y'all. Sun-kissed babies. Y'all look so cute.
I'm sure my skin is gonna have a thick layer of Vaseline.
Literally, it's giving cocoa butter.
It's a natural glow.
It's a natural glow. Cocoa butter in my skin.
I used our oat.
Yeah? Oh, yeah. Yo, mine is about to finish. I need to get a new one.
Blush, the blush from Mr. Price. Blush. Just so it looks like I'm alone.
Yeah.
Yes, suspend Bobby. Go in the water, my. Yo, it's cold. Winner.
Where are those boys?
Bobby Peaches, how was that? Sorry. Bobby Peaches, how was that big? What do you call it?
An experience.
Right? It's an exhilarating experience, isn't it? I'm sure the water, the chills from the water must have woken you up.
Perspective of life.
Right? So what are you doing differently in 2024 now that you've submerged in ice cold water?
I'm gonna submerge myself in everything.
Now you can do ice baths now.
Yeah, boo. Yo.
What is it? What is that?